So what we did is we cut all our rock and we pinned all our rocks onto our wall. And then that's when we came back with our acetone and we just brushed our acetone on. We took our heat gun, and that's how you get that sandstone look and feel. It looks incredible, doesn't it? Now, if you notice here, which is very important, we started off with 2-inch foam. And here you're gonna see, well, Bruce, I see 2 inches here and I see 1 inch here. And what I had the volunteers do is take some of the rocks and cut them in half. And I had them keep them, some are at 2 inches, some at 1 inch. And you can see the different dimension, the different depths. So when you do have that foam, make sure you have different size rock.